Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Converse Kim Jones Chuck 70 Utility Wave High. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Smack that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. And I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Also, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. Now let's get into this. So today, we've got another pair of Chuck Taylors. We here at Oneupreviewz, we love our Converses. Another thing I want to mention, if there's any Converse people watching this, give us some free pairs. I don't know, just trying to be cheeky really, but check out our playlist of Converse reviews. We got a ton of that for you guys to check out. Let's get into this review. So today we've got a look at the Kim Jones collaboration with Converse and this Chuck 70 Utility Wave High. That is such a mouthful. And we got this in the black egret colorway, and it is in a European 41. It's a UK size 7.5, and unfortunately there's no US sizing, but it usually is a size above the men's UK size, which is it's just one size, so it will be a 8.5. Before we get unboxing, let's have a look at the box. And you've got the Kim Jones name that's printed at the top of the lid. And here we go. This is, it's different, I'll give you that. I mean, the head of George's design team created this, so who are we to judge his fashion genius? I'm a big fan of Kim Jones. I wish I could afford any of his George stuff, especially the Air Jordans. Those were the most sought after sneakers, so it's only right that this time Kim Jones has another take on a classic pair of sneakers. So let's have a look more in detail of these utility wave highs, starting with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, bit different to all the other Converse outsoles because there's more lug, it's more traction you can find all around the outsole. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is an all rubber midsole, and it's got an elongated curve that extends from the midsole all the way onto the upper, which gives the sneaker's name the Utility Wave High. Like most Converses, these Chuck 70s are made out of a heavy duty canvas, but what's different about these is that the canvas, the majority of the sneaker actually is covered in a TPU plastic that makes up the lace system. Got rubber at the toe box, and if you look at the medial side, you've got two different tones of the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star logo. You got on the right, you've got a white, and on the left, you got the black. Rounding it off onto the heel counter. So at the heel counter, again, this rubber extends all the way up. And going along onto the tongue, you got Kim Jones's name printed at the top of the tongue. The insole unit is a more gelled insole. That's why I prefer the Chuck 70s of any other Converse Chuck Taylors, like the ones that you can just get on the market, because they're more gelled, it's more comfortable, and it gives me a bit more height. And I'm just gonna round it off with Kim Jones has done his take on another classic sneaker. It's really dope to see that he's added the Converse Chuck Taylor onto his portfolio of really dope sneakers. Obviously you got the Jaws, the ones that look like see-through Converses, and you got the juggernaut, the great sneaker that was the Air Jordan Dior 1. I mean, I wish I could get a pair. I mean, obviously those are the most sought after pairs of sneakers of the past year. I totally forgot to mention that these sneakers are a bit more padded. than your typical Converse Chuck Taylor 70, but that was because Kim Jones had the vision that these sneakers were going to be more durable. He wanted them to be more durable, really. And yeah, these sneakers are going to go along with the apparel that he's just launched along to go with it. And I can't wait to try these on. We love Converses here, so this is no different. Let's roll some footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Converse fit. At the beginning, it was a bit difficult to get in, I'm not gonna lie. I had to loosen a few laces, but at the overall comfort, the fit, I think it's really good. My toes are where they need to be. I feel like the upper's a bit stiffer than the canvas, but that's because it's more padded. So even though I feel a bit constricted at the ankle area, and it's just behind the heel, but at the heel, but that's because the rubber's reinforcing it. I don't feel like I'm gonna break my ankles in these though. Kim Jones has done it again, guys. I'm a big fan of these sneakers. If you're able to get a pair, I suggest you get them. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. And until next time, peace.